Hello and welcome to Rizzy's vlog. Today we're in Somerset and we're going to be camping here. This is my father.
We're camping.
We're camping. It's not camping at all. We're in I called it a teepee, but what's it called?
No, we're camping, Fred.
No,
we're camping, Fred.
Shall I show you? Shall I show you around? We're not camping. Okay. This is the open bit. And then we've got a little cute chandelier with candles. And if I take you all the way around here, there is a big double bed and a side bed. I'm very happy. I'm very happy because it's very colourful. And we all know how much I love a bit of rainbow. Dad, you've got 1 minute, you've got to sell your hat to me.
My hat?
Yeah, go for it.
I've got to. It's got rhythm written on it that sells it in itself. It could be pink or blue or green or yellow or orange, but it's like a beigey stone colour, but it's got rhythm written on it. What more do you want out of life?
Hello. Okay, so right now we're walking to the pub. My mum and dad are just up there. They're living their best lives. Is it recording? Yay! Mum in her natural habitat.
Let's catch me.
She's jumping. She's jumping. Way! And he has caught her. The crowd goes wild.
And he has caught her.
And here we have an old war. Russell Smith says it reminds him of Game of Thrones.
Go, go, ba 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 ba.
Good morning. Last night was absolutely shambolic. So we got back after getting lost for, let me say, a good few hours. We came back to the thing and the teepee, I don't even, what is it called?
It's a bell tent.
It's a bell tent. It's a bell tent. Got back to the bell tent and there was a gigantic spider.
And earwigs.
And earwigs, and I just don't deal with spiders at all like that. It's just a big fat no-go for me. So my dad, instead of getting rid of the spider, he chucks a blanket at the spider and it just lands like right next to the bed. Like, am I going to sleep in here? No. So I slept in the car. Woo! Hello.
Sometimes the map's quite good. Sorry, Fred.
No, it's okay. We were just discussing maps and how we get in places, and now we're off and we're going to where are we going? Wales.
Where we're going at the moment is into that fence if I don't concentrate.
Dun, dun, dun. Dad, the reckless driver. Today we are going to some caves in Cheddar. There is a city called Cheddar, and all the cheddar cheese in the world comes from this little city. And now we're going to a cheddar cave, and there better be cheese in the cave. No, but I'm quite excited. I hope it's not a long walk. Mum, give us a wave. Good morning. Last night I was actually brave enough to sleep in the tent and not the car, so that's good. It's going to be really sunny today, which is amazing because who doesn't love the sun? We just had a little English breakfast on our little fire pit. And then today we're going to go to the Glastonbury tour, where the Glastonbury Festival is. You can walk up this big hill and I think there's like some kind of house on a hill. I'm not really sure, but that's where we're going. What else are we doing today? Also, look how much I need a shave. Like, I'm really like wilderness, living it up, like ruggedy man, serving you looks. We're going all the way up there. Give us a wave. We walked to the top and it was amazing, and now we're going to go get some drinks in Glastonbury town. Are you excited?
Very.
So excited.